I'm Alistair Ching. I'm leading hand here at Innovative Design Engineers. Been here around 5 years. We service a lot in the food industry, food and sanitary. Do a lot of work for Fonterra and Sanford's, a lot of bespoke. We've really got our own sort of niche market that we cater to. Anything from pipe work to new equipment, doing specific machinery for certain processes. With the type of welding that we're doing and the work that we're creating, food industry or the likes, we've got to be really fine on our welding, making sure that no bacteria traps, no pinholes, the likes. Generally we're sanitary welding and then polishing out, so there's no weld seams on contact areas and the likes. But yeah, whether it's purge welding or manufacturing other equipment, it's all got to be sanitary. I've been using the Strata 320 for about the last 6-7 months. Really good machine, nice and consistent. Being able to switch from water cooled and air cooled as I please, depending on whether I'm doing alloy stainless and the likes. And yeah, just really good parameters to be able to set the job that we're doing. Good heat range through the sequence as well, really customisable. Been using Stratas for the last 5-6 years. My own personal machine is a AdvanceTig320ACDC, and that thing's definitely done its work. This is the Strata Advance TIG320. Really good machine for general jobbing, stainless or aluminium. Really good interface. I really like the way the Stratas work on the aluminium. Yeah, different waves that you can set it to, sine wave, square wave, and delta, yeah. So that's really good, being able to set your frequency and your polarity where you want it to be. Spot welding, so it's got a spot weld feature on there, which is really good. Your 2T, 4T, being able to go from air cooled to water cooled, all has its benefits. So I generally run my stainless torch when I'm welding stainless on an air feed, because it's not requiring all the heat that I am when I'm welding alloy. So yeah, it's really good being able to switch up between the two. High frequency and stick as well, it's really good. They always arc consistently. I've never had wandering arcs off of torches when I'm running the Stratas. The settings are really good to program, so you can adjust to that finer detail as well in comparison to other welders in the market. Torch is really good, having the digital scroll on there. I can adjust right down to 10 amps and go right up to my 320. So I can adjust while I'm welding if I'm doing a long sequence. Really good for purge welding if you've got different thicknesses that you're going around. Depending on your arcing or where your hand's position, you can just flick that scroller around, give yourself a couple extra amps here and there. Over the time with my AdvanceTig200, my personal welder, I've had the trigger wire replaced once in the last 6-7 years, and that's from disconnecting and connecting all the time. The machine itself hasn't had any issues. It's been the best machine I've ever used, actually. Definitely reliable, definitely consistent, and yeah, it's a great welder.